welcome to my video. My name is Michelle. For those of you who don't know me, I have two young girls, 8-year-old and a 9-year-old, almost 10 next month, who are doing online schooling. And I have a husband that I've been married to for 15 years. We have our anniversary this weekend. And I'm actually in his office today, which is actually not really an office. It's almost like a closet, but it's his little space. I'm using it today to do my video because he has borrowed my, my lighting for some Zoom calls for his work. So I didn't want to move it out of his office and mess up his staging area, but he has a dentist appointment. So here I am. Girls are upstairs on their class call, and I thought I'd pop in and do a quick video. And today I just thought this was kind of funny. I shared this with my mom. I talk to her every day and she's like, you should do a video on that. I'm like, okay. So today's video is actually going to be on BMW and their airbag recall. My husband has a BMW 3 Series that he bought right after we got married. So it was a 2005 BMW 3 Series, and apparently the airbag is not really working, or it could malfunction and cause more problems if you're in an accident than if you didn't have it or if you had it fixed. So we've gotten a couple of I guess letters in the mail over the past couple of years, like, hey, there's, you know, class action lawsuit or something, or hey, you may want to have this checked out. My husband doesn't really drive the car very much, and we never drive in that car with him, and it's on the passenger side, so we kind of honestly just neglected doing anything about it. And then like about a week ago, no, maybe it was a little more than a week ago. This says that it was sent on October 1st. I got this package, it's right here. So I just want to show it to you. Urgent, time sensitive, open immediately. What's inside could save your life. I'm like, oh my God, what is this, right? So I opened it up, and does it say it's from BMW? It does say it's from BMW North America. So it was sent to my husband. So this is what came inside. This is like huge. Look at my, I mean, I'm a bigger woman, but look at the size of this compared to my body. This is like the size of a regular like 8.5 by 11 piece of paper, I guess. So it says, you've been warned. I'm like, what is this, right? So then I open it up and it gets like bigger. It even gets bigger. And it says, we'll perform an airbag recall service free at your convenience. I think that the reason why we didn't kind of go through with it to begin with is because they say, oh, hey, come check it out. We'll look at it for you, and we might be able to help you. And I feel like it's always just kind of like a bait and switch, like come in and, oh, well, by the way, you know, you might want to get this fixed or this changed too. And it's just like cha-ching that keeps adding up. So we never did anything, but obviously you always get me at free, right? So, but it could have just been like a regular letter just saying like, hey, we'll do this for free instead of this big thing. So anyway, I'm opening it up again. Look at how big this thing is. I'm like going all the way back to the end of the wall here, but this thing is huge. It's like the size of my whole body. You've been warned. I mean, and it shows like a crash here. I mean, I just feel like this is really in your face, over the top. So yeah, we've been trying to contact you about a BMW Defective airbag. Now, don't get me wrong, I am like all about safety, and especially for, you know, my kids and my family. So we're gonna get this fixed, right? But I don't know. I mean, comment down below and tell me what you think. Do you think that this was necessary? Look at the back. Look at what it says. You're taking a deadly risk. I feel like this is just really in my face, and I don't know. I'm kind of offended by like how aggressive they are in this. I mean, I get you want to be aggressive because you want to, you know, save people's lives and make sure people are safe, but how about, I don't know, picking up the phone and calling? We've not received one phone call. But yeah, so this huge thing, really. I mean, comment below and tell me what you think. Do you think that this was necessary? Do you think that this was, you know, the right move by BMW to say this is, you know, urgent? This has been going on. I should look it up. I should have looked it up before I got on to do the video, but I want to say that this was something that was like, I don't know, 5 years ago or something that was an issue. This is a car that is 15 years old. So, you know, now all of a sudden you're like peppering me with all of these like warnings and I'm putting my family's life at risk kind of stuff. It's just crazy. So after I got this, or we got this, I got this in the mail. I don't know if you can see it. Can you see it? No. And it says complimentary mobile recall repair service. But this is just like a lot. I'm sorry. This is just a lot nicer to send something that says it like that. Okay, so I open it up and it's got a phone number. It talks about my car in particular. It says like my specific car. So this person like knows me. It's not just like a big spam thing that's being sent out saying you've been warned. It's like saying, hey, you know, the Takata airbag in your 2005 BMW needs to be repaired. We'll come to you, complimentary, and a phone number. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna call. I'm gonna take care of this. This is, I think this is more appropriate in what they should be sending and to people. And it looks like they have it in Spanish on the other side, which is probably a good idea. But yeah, I thought I'd share because I just thought that was not really, I didn't like that. Yeah, I guess that's all I have to say about it, but I just wanted to share. I'm wondering if other people got something like that. If this was their first attempt, BMW's first attempt in reaching out to you, or if this was, because for me, this was the second attempt and this was the first attempt. So, and this was all in the same week. Again, this is a 15-year-old car and they sent me, I haven't gotten anything in, I mean, I think they sent me something maybe, again, like a couple years ago, one letter. It was like more of like, hey, you may have an issue. But I got these two things within a week. And again, this one first, this one second. And yeah, I'm wondering what's going on there. Anyway, that's my video for today. Maybe a little silly, but just thought I'd share. Again, my channel is all about things that are going on in my life. My kids, myself, my husband, what we do, what we enjoy, and things that are now. So if you like this, please make sure you subscribe. We would really appreciate the subscribers, and click the notification button so you can be notified of any of our new videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day, guys. Bye.